Hello, grade 8. How are you today? How's it going? I hope you are fine. This is Mr. Ahmed Samir, and this session will be a revision number 1 on factorization. The first question, factorize each of the following. Let's see. Y power 2 minus 14y plus 49. Firstly, you should look to the last sign and the middle sign. The last sign is positive, so the middle sign for the two brackets. We will open two brackets and each bracket will has the middle sign because the last sign is positive. Firstly, y power 2 will be y and y. 49 is 7 times 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So it will be y minus 7 and y minus 7. Since the last sign is positive, so the middle sign will be for the two brackets. Number 2. X power 2 minus 7x minus 8. The last sign is negative, so the middle sign for the greatest factor. Since the last sign is negative, we will choose two factors and we will subtract them to get the middle term. 8 is 2 times 4, but 4 minus 2 equals 2, not 7. 8 equals 8 times 1, and 8 minus 1 equals 7. So we will open two brackets. X power 2 is x times x, and 8 equals 8 times 1. The last sign is negative, so the middle sign for the greatest then will be x minus 8 and x plus 1. The next example, 2y power 2 plus 3y minus 5. Now y power 2 has a coefficient 2, so we can use the cross to factorize this example like this. 2y power 2 we can analyze it into 2y times y like this. 5 can write it as 5 times 1. The first line, 2y times 1 equals 2y, and the second line, 5 times y equals 5y. The last sign is negative, so we will subtract them. 5y minus 2y equals 3y equals the middle term, so it is a correct. So the last sign is negative, so the middle term for the greatest so will be 2y minus 5 and y plus 1. Then we can factorize it as 2y minus 5 and y plus 1. The next example, 3x power 2 minus 15x plus 12. In this example, if you notice that we have highest common factor 3, let's take it. The remaining x power 2 minus 5x plus 4, we can factorize it as two brackets x and x, and 4 times 1, not 2 times 2, because if we add 2 plus 2, 4, not 5, but 4 plus 1 equals 5, the middle term. Then it will be 3 times the first bracket, x minus 4 and x minus 1. Next, 4x power 2 minus 20x plus 25. We can use the cross to factorize it. The left hand side will be 2x times 2x. 25 equals 5 times 5. The last sign is positive, so the middle sign for the two brackets. And 2x times 5 equals 10x, and 2x times 5 equals 10x. If we add them equals 20x, like the middle term, then it's a correct answer. So the result, it will be 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. The last example, x power 6 minus 9x power 3 plus 8. Now x power 6 equals x power 3 times x power 3, and 8, it will be 2 times 4. But if we add 2 plus 4 equals 6, not 9. Another solution, 8 equals 1 times 8, and 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the correct answer will be 8 and 1. The last sign is positive, so the middle sign for the two brackets, it will be x cube minus 8 and x cube minus 1. Another question, complete the following. A minus 2 times 2a minus 3 equals, we will find the first term and the last term. The first term is the product of the first times the first. A times 2a equals 2a power 2. And the last term is the product of the second term times the second term. Negative 2 times negative 3 equals positive 6. Number 2, x plus space times 2x minus 3. We will find the first term. The first term is the product for x times 2x equals 2x power 2. We can find the second term of the first bracket. What times negative 3 equals negative 15? It will be 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. Now we want to find the middle term. We can find the middle term by adding the product of means and the product of extremes. The product of means, 5 times 2x equals 10x, and x times negative 3 equals negative 3x. If we add 10x minus 3x equals 7x, it will be 7x. Another example, x plus space times 3x minus 2. It will be x times 3x equals 3x power 2, and the second term times negative 2 equals negative 10, it will be 5. To find the middle term, the product of means plus the product of extremes, 5 times 3x, 15x, and x times negative 2 equals negative 2x. If we add 15x plus negative 2x equals 13x. Number 4, 2x plus 3y and space plus 2y. 2x times what equals 2x power 2, then it will be 2x times x, and the middle term, the addition of means and extremes, 3y times x, 3yx, and 2x times 2y equals 4xy. If we add them, it will be 7xy. The last term, the product of 3y times 2y equals 6y power 2. Number 5, 2y, it will be 2a equals 2a power 2. Then 2a times a equals 2a power 2. And what times 3b equals 3b power 2? It will be b. The middle term, we will add the product of means, a times b equals ab, and the extremes, 2a times 3b equals 6ab. If we add ab and 6ab, it will be 7ab. Next, if x power 2 plus k plus 17 equals x minus 5 times x plus 5, then k equals what? Firstly, x minus 5 times x plus 5 equals x power 2 minus 25, like this. So x power 2 plus what equals negative 25. We will find k by subtract 17 minus negative 25. It will be negative 42. Again, we will subtract 17 from negative 25. It will be 25 minus 17 equals negative 42. So k will be negative 42. Another example, if a power 2 plus b power 2 equals 7 and ab equals 3, then a minus b all power 2 equals, firstly we will analyze a minus b power 2 into the first square, a power 2, the first times second times 2, a times negative b times 2 equals negative 2ab, plus the second square, it will be power 2. If we talk a power 2 plus b power 2 equals 7, and negative 2ab is negative 2 times 3 equals negative 6. So 7 minus 6, it will be 1. And thank you for listening.